Meaning of DRM.
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 DRM. DRM stands for Digital Rights Management. It refers to technologies and methods used by content providers to control access to their digital content, such as music, movies, and software. This is often done through encryption, copy protection, and other measures to prevent unauthorized distribution or use of the content. The main goal of DRM is to protect the intellectual property rights of creators, and to ensure that they are compensated appropriately for their work. However, DRM has also been criticized for limiting consumer freedom and hindering innovation in the digital market.